Hi everyone, this is our second day of camping and it's about 5 p.m. right now and it's very cloudy here today, so we did our swimming this morning. We ate some lunch and stuff like that, and then tonight we're probably going to have a s'mores. Look out the surrounding area, guys. It's really nice, cloudy, but it's nice. You can actually go swimming. Yep, look at the area. A lot of people are playing volleyball. I guess they have a birthday party on that area. And also, I'm gonna show you the playground is over there. Bobby and Daddy are over there. Bobby is playing on the swing, and I can see him right now. Yeah, it's a little bit not a lot of people today because it's a little bit cold, but for me it's okay. That's our camper there. Yep, I'll see you in a little bit, guys.